Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Let's learn the phonic sound of letter S. Are you ready? Let's go! This is big S and this is small s. Letter S sounds like S. S. S is for sun. Sun. S is for star. Star. S is for snake. Snake. S is for sock. Sock. S is for spider. Spider. S is for sand. Sand. S is for soap. Soap. S is for soup. Soup. S is for smile. Smile. S is for snail. Snail. Let's revise all the words once again. Sun. Star. Snake. Sock. Spider. Sand. Soap. Soup. Smile. Snail. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.